Okay, now today we are going to do our assignment related to the chapter Struggle for Equality. I hope Struggle for Equality concept is totally clear to you what the equality is. As our Constitution of India ensures social, political, and economic equality. No doubt, political equality is being ensured by giving right to vote. But social and economic equality is depending upon the nature of the people, the belongingness of a people, and the parameter what they are adopting. No doubt, Constitution provide opportunities equally to ensure regular education facilities so that every people can access good quality of education. Government also provide free and compulsory education. But there are struggles, there are events which are contributing to the group of people to ensure equality. For that, today's assignment, first question I had put to go through the political equality. What the first question is? First question क्या है अपना? First of all, what is ballot paper? Ballot paper क्या है? A paper sheet of paper in which name of the candidates are written and accordingly their symbols are being mentioned. So why symbols are mentioned? Because at that time common people were not educated, so they cannot read the candidate name. So from the symbol they can recognize that which candidate name is given over that side. That is why symbols are being given at that time. Ballot paper means a process through which election is being taken. And universal adult franchise is being given in India. According to it, all the person above the age of 18 without any discrimination on the basis of caste, culture, creed, religion, and sex, they can have their right to vote. So, ballot paper means a universal access of a people within the country have right to vote. First answer is clear to everyone. TMS ये आपको एक आना चाहिए, तवा मत्स्य संघ। ठीक है, ये क्या है? ये ऑर्गेनाइजेशन कहाँ पर बनी थी? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल ये कहाँ पर बनी थी? मध्य प्रदेश सतपुड़ा रेंजेस में, छोटा उधर छिंदवाड़ा के पास। ठीक है, वहां पर ये बनी थी। क्यों बनी थी? क्यों बनी थी? इट इज गिवन। क्यों बनी थी? क्योंकि वहां पर रिवर है उसके ऊपर रिजर्वायर बना दिया गया एंड रिजर्वायर के ऊपर इन 1996 गवर्नमेंट हैज गिवन अ रिस्ट्रिक्शन टू द कॉमन पीपल टू गेट द फिश फ्रॉम दैट साइड, and due to not getting equal access over the natural resources, they make one organization. That organization is called Tava Matsya Sangh. Is it clear? What are dwellers? Dwellers कौन है? कोई डाउट तो नहीं है इसमें?
No, ma'am.
Okay.
No.
Now, next question is, as the dam was being started in 1958 and completed in 1978, डैम कब बनना स्टार्ट हुआ? 1958 में, पूरा कब हुआ? 1978 में, 20 years के स्पैन के बाद. But in 1996, the government of India gave a right to the private contractor to get the access of fish from the reservoir of that and not providing that right to the common people, as the right of contractor were given, and contractor take out the people who were at very less wages. उन लोगों को दिया जिनकी बहुत लेस वेजेस थी एंड द कॉमन पीपल वर नॉट गेटिंग असेस. दैट इज व्हाई कॉमन पीपल ऑफ दैट नेटिव एरिया दे वर गॉट the Tava Matsya Sangh to struggle for getting their right to access from the natural resources from their native places, because that was their native places. वो उनकी अपनी जगह थी, उनके उनके forefathers की जगह थी जिससे गवर्नमेंट ने राइट वापस ले लिए. Is it clear? Equality, as our constitution providing equal access to all the things without any discrimination on the basis of caste, culture, creed, religion, and sex. Number two, Constitution ensure justice. If any discrimination is being done by anyone with another person, A person with the B person, then Constitution is ensuring justice, which ensure equality. So our Constitution is providing equality to assess. Number two, if assess is not there, if one is dominating, one authoritative is dominating over the minority section, majority is dominating over the minority section, then justice is there to ensure equality. Now, Nishka, you read 3 points. Is it clear to everyone? Any point, if you have doubt, we can discuss now. As Constitution ensure equality by giving equal access, equal votes, equal political votes नहीं कहेंगे आप, equal political rights, equal access to get economic opportunities and social upliftment. There is no any kind of discrimination, but as we know in the society, as from the first chapter of our civics, we come to know that Ansari was being discriminated on the basis of our, you can say, religion. Om Prakash was discriminated on the basis of his caste. Kanta was discriminated because of the less education and not having good facility. So we come to know that they all are being discriminated, but there is only one weapon in the hand of common people, that is justice. Justice is there which ensure equality. So how justice is there? Here also from this example we come to know that the native of Tava Matsya Sangh, they also form the organization to fight for their equal access from the natural resources. Another example is given over here. Everyone is having a right to struggle for their equality. If that equality is being taken out by any majority section or any superiority section. ठीक है, पॉइंट इज क्लियर बच्चे, कोई डाउट तो नहीं है इसमें?
lack for respect
So
for
first point, we come to know that why people are not treated equally. First reason is poverty. Because of the poverty, they cannot assess the equality as the majority people, as the superiority community is having. One is poverty. Number two is negligence. उनके पास negligence. Third is size of family. Size of family is another parameter which ensure that they cannot have equal access. As a poor family with 4 children, one mother, two or both husband and wife. Suppose a family is there and one sister is there. So all the family within living condition not very good. बेसिक फैसिलिटी, लाइक बेसिक फैसिलिटी में क्या आता है? क्लीन वाटर हमने किया था, क्लीन वाटर दैट इज नॉट देयर. हेल्थ फैसिलिटी दैट इज नॉट देयर बिकॉज दे कैन नॉट असेस टू द प्राइवेट हॉस्पिटल इफ दे आर फेसिंग एनी मेडिकल प्रॉब्लम. Third is food. They do not have good quality of food or accessibility of food at appropriate proportion. So another is education. They cannot go to provide good quality of education to their children because of the poverty. So these are the basic traits which are tools, we can say, which are responsible for people to not to have proper equality, or not to go for assessing the good quality of job, or not to possible for them to have a good same standard of living as the other group of section is there. So basic is dignity, poverty, ignorance, lack of good health, lack of basic facility, education. All these parameters are the reasons for not having equality among the society in different part of the country. Is it clear to everyone, Devanshi? That the
Yes.
people in
Yes.
the society are being discriminated on the basis of caste, culture, religion, gender, and on the basis of economic condition, we can say poverty. Is these kind of discrimination we found in the society?
Yes.
We had already discussed that these kinds of discriminations are there. So for this you have to write the discrimination faced by Ansari not to get the apartment in the Hindu colony because he was a Muslim. Another is Om Prakash, who was not getting equal access to have education because he was forced by the teacher to broom the ground of the school and not to get the water from the school tap. Another, he was bound to sit near the door of the classroom. So these kinds of discriminations provide us this thing that discrimination is there. And Kanta, she was supposed to stand in the election line as equal as the honor of uh, house was there, matlab, where she was working. But when she was going to the municipal corporation, or so when she was going to the public hospital, then she was supposed to stand in the long queue. So that kind of discrimination is also there. So we come to know that those who have no access, they are being discriminated not on the political ground but on the social and other parameters ground. Is it clear? Any doubt to anyone?
Yes, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Yes,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
yes. Ma'am, no.
कोई डाउट तो नहीं है बेटा?